how to find out the potential of my market. So you guys are doing good work. I love your energies. I love your participation, though it has come down, and I don't know why it has come down. And thank you, Aditya, so much for accepting what sharing you have done in the WhatsApp group. It's beautiful. I'm so proud of you. It takes a lot of courage to accept what you said there. And he said, I'm afraid to take this course because it is pushing me to take actions. Right? Because I want your growth. And growth comes only with taking actions. So I'm going to do something very beautiful for you to help you understand what is the potential of the course that you have chosen. So let's look at, I'm going to share my screen. Excited? Do you want to know? Do you want to know this? How to find out the potential of your target market and how to see how much market share you want. Excited? So how many students do you think will be there, for maths? 5 to 10 grade math. How many students do you think will be there in the world? Achha, let's forget world, India. Okay. How many students? 1 crore. How many students who need math? Let's go with math, then we will look at law, and then we will also look at sales. These are the 3 things I will take, because yesterday we reviewed their work. So let us take, is it right? 5 crore is a good number, Niharika? Minimum 1 crore. So let's be conservative. We'll start with 1 crore. Okay. Abaki jo mila wo bonus. That is all bonus. So let's work with 1 crore, right? Now, how much do you think a math course should be priced at? A full year per year, 40 to 50K of, okay. So one thing is, in the online world, we should reduce the price. Okay, why? Because your expenses are less, no? You don't have to set up an institute. You don't have to have infrastructure. So online, we should reduce the cost. Make it 50% of this price. Does it make sense? 50% online. Okay, online you should give cost benefit. Okay, then only people will come. So can we say 20,000? Is it a good number for full 5th grade math or 6th grade math or 10th grade math? We will say we're going to cost the price for full year course will be 20K. Is it a good number? Because I am out of touch with school subject, guys. I don't know. Okay, so I need your help. What are right numbers? I'm just giving you the working and see the potential, right? Okay, let's keep 20K because this is the number I keep getting. 10 to 12 is also logical. You want to keep 10,000, chalo 10,000 rakh lete, lowest to begin with. Beginners, if you are little popular, then you make it 20. Abhi we will begin with 10,000 only. So can I put here 10,000 rupees is the price of the course? So how much does this become? 10,000 crore. Okay, 10,000 crore. अभी आपको इसमें से कितना चाहिए? अब no, you are not the alone teacher, no single teacher. There are many teachers. How many teachers will be there? Many teachers. Okay. How much do you want from this? 1%? Can I put 1%? 1% of this number? The market potential, 1% is good. Yeah, I have taken 10,000. So we are saying we have 1 crore student who want to study math across various grades, across whether 5th class to 12th class or engineering subject math, and apply it for any subject. 10,000 for a 1 year for an online course is a pretty good amount. It's not more, it's not less, right? We have not added world ke children here. Okay, let's be very conservative with numbers. So now this is, I don't know, how much is the number? How much is that?
1%.
No, this number. I'm taking help from my finance expert. I would want him to come and do this exercise because these numbers bother me. Can you come and do this exercise? Okay, so guys, you get 1 mentor free with me because I am very bad with money and numbers and I don't want to understand because it puts a limit. 10,000. Why don't you come here? Okay, we'll have. Okay. So excited? My life partner and my business partner, he will drive this because I am not a number person, guys. Okay. So he will.
Where we have reached?
So I just said that we have 1 crore math student. Correct number? Huh?
Less. Actually, it's 5 crore plus. Anyways.
Oh, it's 5 crore. Okay.
Anyways,
So
go
we
less.
chose 100,000, 10,000 as the fee, annual fee, annual. Okay. What is this number?
10,000
I'm
crore.
very bad with numbers and I don't want
10,000
to
crore.
ruin this. Okay.
10,000 crore. If you can go 1%, you're talking 100 crore. If you go 0.1%, you're talking 10 crore. I think 0.1 is more than enough. So will you be happy? Who is our math teacher?
Ajay.
10 CR is a
Ajay.
decent amount. Can it change your life? You know, Ajay, do you think it's a good amount?
No, so what happens is now this is how many, so if we take 0.1%.
0.1% is coming,
so,
10 crore. 10 crore.
Okay, 10 crore, 0.1%. Okay. So now,
Ajay, huh?
1% will be
100 crore.
100 crores and 0.1% will be 10 crores. Uska bhi 0.1 kar lo yaar. 10 crore ka bhi 0.1 kar lo.
1 crore per year. These numbers are actually very less, to be very honest. You guys, 20,000 people can pay because those courses are there forever. You can keep on seeing it. And between 5 to 10 crore students are there. IIT itself, one crore students.
अरे आप इतना भी आगे नहीं जाना है. मेरा simple 100 student ले लो. 100 student से चालू करो. Just start with 100. Whatever.
10 lakh is a amount.
Is that a good revenue to expect once you have digitized your offerings?
Let's see somebody else. Who else is a lawyer?
We have a lawyer, yeah.
So as per I know, the law of land or land of law, what is that?
And law of the land.
Law of the land, everyone should know. And to be very frank, I myself don't know many things. So for law, actually everyone is your target market. Everyone. Anywhere else, if you say my target market is everybody, that's a bad concept. When you say for law, except children, everyone is your prospect. So we are talking about 100 crore people.
130 crore in India.
Yeah.
And 800 crores in the world.
No, we will talk Indian law.
Okay, so let's talk Indian law. Yeah.
And one more thing I was thinking when I saw that message, I traveled to Europe, I traveled to Saudi Arabia, Dubai. Every country has their own laws, right? So you can have a small course that if you are going to Europe, know this. If you are going to Saudi Arabia, because Saudi Arabia laws are really crazy. What I heard once, one Norway lady was arrested, abused by some male, but she got punishment of 20 years. Because their law says you cannot go outside 9 o'clock with a male from outside community or something like that. So India is a subject for law, but there are at least 10 lakh people who travel abroad without knowing the way people do travel insurance. They should buy this course and learn about it. I'm just generating a product idea with you guys.
We'll work out the numbers, no?
Yeah. So even if we say 100 crore people should buy, you charge 5,000 rupees for that. We're talking.
I have different ideas for. She has an NGO. She can serve to NGO. She can serve.
Who is she?
Manjusha.
Manjusha is there.
Yeah, but I want to do the workings on the sheet.
I will do it. Okay.
So
you just say 10 crore like that.
Let's just make 1,000. Let's ask her. Manjusha, how do you see how many NGOs need your know the law? If you want to choose that, how many banking institutions need your? How many banking institutions exist who must know the law? Just give us a number. And how much do you want to price your course? And then just look at what is the market potential of, how much is the revenue potential of this particular offering. And then how much market share, how much you want out of it, right? So
Manjusha, just give numbers.
Yeah, I think in the system, the chat.
No, it's there. Manjusha, she's saying I'm there.
3.5 million NGOs in India. So let's do the working here. Let's work with that number.
35 lakh. Okay. How much you want to? It's okay, no? It's okay. We'll work like that. Okay. How many? What do you want to charge your course? How How much?
How much do you want to charge for your courses?
That's 40 lakhs.
See, if you're saying only for learn the law for Europe, you can do different countries also, right? Because this is very important, knowing the law of the land. My husband was recently sharing a story in Taiwan. They're not supposed to come out of the room during COVID times, hotel room, quarantine. And this guy, one of his friend, actually just went out for 30 seconds and they charged him $10,000 fine.
That's a story a couple of days back that happened. So if you don't know the laws, you are in big trouble. Maybe around 25K. So 75 multi, I will put formula, 75 multiply by 25.
Put 25,000.
So 18 crore. We are talking about 18 crore. And if you get even 1%, which you should get, we are talking about around
18 lakhs. 18 crore ka 1%. 10% is 1.8 crore. 1% is 18 lakhs.
But I'm
not that bad with numbers. Okay, I also understand numbers.
So, but because you are in very niche market, I think you can get 10% easily. And 1.8 crore is not a it's not a far away number.
All of this is possible with step-by-step structured approach. It takes time, but that is the market potential, right?
Just to begin with, once it becomes viral, that's
I have one more
sales.
Sales. They're into MLM and she's teaching sales. Komal.
Okay.
She was there yesterday.
Komalji, how much is your target audience size? All corporate sales, retail sale, MLM sale. Six lakh.
6 lakh people in sales. I think everybody is selling actually. All of us are selling, only few are playing that role of sales. So because all of us are selling, either an idea, a thought, mother is selling to a child wants something, they are selling their idea, thought needs to parents. But product and services selling as a role, there are more, at least I would say at least 1 crore salespeople in the world for sure. You can look at that 1 crore number, or we can go ahead with 10 lakhs. It would be conservative.
Okay, and what you are looking for? What will be your course amount? 6 crore. Yes, now we are talking. And what will be your course value? What do you want to charge? Komal, minimum if we say 5,000 also, 1,000 per person. So we are talking about 6,000 crore, and 1% of that is 60 crore. 0.1% is 6 crore. Will you be happy with 6 crore, Komal? If you achieve, and that's just beginning. Online course selling is just beginning. Then once you start doing workshops and your books and all those things,
events, this is just the beginning. There are many things that can be done, but that is a huge potential, and which is this is true, right? Thank you, Ankur.
Please.
Thank you so much. Let's thank Ankur. Okay. So when it comes to numbers, I want you to hear from expert directly. If I'm not good at something, I don't want to teach. Okay.